this, boys. Trading is lonely, but it doesn't have to be. We all know networking is a very important thing in a lot of business, but trading doesn't have to be that lonely. You can also network with fellow traders. You can join our community, for example, first link in the description, absolutely for free. We give major value. We're always giving up updates, live markets ahead of time on EU, GU, and gold. But we also have many people that trade oil, futures, and all kinds of stuff, crypto. But do you really think, as a trader, you're not gonna get inspired to see fellow traders winning left, right, and center? You're gonna feel inspired, unless you're the other type of people that just get hate, that's just jealous. So big G's at the top don't hate, so you choose whatever you want to be. But if you want to be with the winners, you can be with us, and that's just not to sell off our group. Like, you can see my friendship with Thomas, for example. When I first met him, it was levels above me, but that just inspired me to get on his level and to get much higher, because it made the goal seem realistic, because I had access to somebody that was actually getting somewhere with trading, and not just looking at online and seeing all these big guys making thousands from trading, more than thousands, millions, and seeing unrealistic things and having doubts in my mind.
So another thing I wanted to add that I forgot to mention was that people can also call you out once you're doing bad behavior. For example, you might be on a losing streak and you might be thinking of a plan to do some crazy shit, taking more trades, taking more aggressive trades, changing up your strategy, and you might discuss that with your trading partner, and he might call you out like, "The fuck you're doing, bro?" Because the good thing is also having that clarity of another person, of a person that's not in your situation, that's in the calmer situation, all right, in their own situation, and maybe they can see it. They can see the bullshit through you, you know. And you might be on denial, you might be this and that, you might be thinking of doing that shit. You might be thinking right now of changing it up, of changing strategy, of doing 2% risk instead of one, of you know what I mean. But also, once you guys win, it's two people winning together, or even more, which feels even better. Like, you don't want to be lonely at the top. You don't want to be the only trader at the top, and you don't know no traders. You're maybe in Thailand like me, but you don't know anybody. At least living with traders, amazing, bro. Amazing. And it's a whole nother vibe, and the grind is just 10x, you know. And get inspired. He gets a win, you get a win. Bro, it's a win. It's a win for you as well. He gets funded. Congrats, bro. Me too. Shit, let's get it. It's like that. It's like they want to path for brothers, and y'all trying to achieve the same in the group. That's why in the future, hope to God, we all meet in somewhere cool like Thailand right here, or Dubai, something like that, around the world, with a bunch of killers. Because there's a bunch of killers in the group. I believe those guys. And that's basically it for a quick video. But get yourself trading partners. It's the best thing you could do for not just your trading, but your psychology and everything, really. You just have to ask yourself, do you rather do it alone or with somebody else, or with some people? Again, we're human beings, of course. The choices will be more social. But if you want to do this whole lone wolf type of thing, and be the man and be unprofitable for 5 years and don't know what's going on, again, it's your choice, bro. Just leave a like and subscribe, please.